this introduction to formulas, we want to look at, firstly, the operators used in formulas and how to enter a formula. Second up, we want to look at editing a formula, then the order precedence, i.e. in what order are calculations made within a formula, and then lastly, how to copy-paste a formula. So let's start by looking at the operators. 6 operators I want to look at are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, and exponential. All formulas have to start with the equal sign. So I start off by typing in equals, I then click on A1, type the addition sign, and then I click on A2. Now a similar thing happens for subtraction. When we move on to multiplication, the asterisk symbol, that is your multiplication symbol. For division, we've got the /. If you wanted to change a number into a percentage, then you start by typing in the equals. You then click on A1, let's say that's got a 10 in it. You then type the percentage sign. That will then turn that cell into 10%. Lastly, the exponential. If I want to take maybe 10 to the power of 2, then I press the equal sign. I click on A1, which has got a 10 in it. And then I use the exponential symbol, sometimes referred to as the hat, and then click on A2. Let's have a look at it in Excel. We'll start with the addition. I want to take the 10 that's in A1, so I go with my mouse, click on that, and then I add on the 2 in A2. Fantastic, and that gives me 12. I want to do the same for the subtraction. I click on A1, but now I subtract the 2, and that now gives me 8. Multiplication, exactly the same, 10, but now multiplied by the 2, which should give me 20. Division, 10 divided by, so I use that slash by A2 to give me 5. For the percentage, 10, and I now type in the percentage symbol. So what I can now do is I can go up to my ribbon, and I can click on the percent symbol, and it changes to being shown as 10%. The last one at the bottom, exponential, I go up to my 10, and I now use the exponential symbol to take to the power of 2, and that gets me to 100. Now in editing a formula, I may decide, I've got it wrong, I didn't mean to do that. So the first way we can do this is we can just click into the formula bar, and I can now move around within that formula, and I can make changes. So for instance, I could delete out A2, maybe I didn't write A2, maybe I wrote A200 by mistake. But I can now click on the correct figure, and it's been corrected. I press enter to accept the change. When we look at order precedence, multiplications and divisions are always done before plus and minus. So let's add some extra items into this formula. My addition, I'm now going to add in a multiplication by the 3. We have to work out what's going to happen first here. The 2 times by the 3 will happen first to give me 6. That will be added to the 10 to give me 16. There's no need to put brackets around the A2 and the A3 because we know the multiplication happens before the addition. However, if I did want the addition to happen first, then I could put brackets in. Now the 10 will be added to the 2, so that will be 12, then times by 3 to give me a different figure, 36. The same is also true of exponential. Brackets and exponential both work before multiplication and division, which both work before addition and subtraction. Lastly, I want to show how to copy my formula. I'm going to change my addition formula back to its original formula. So I click equals A1 plus A2. What I'd like to do is I'd like to copy this to the right. So what we need to do is copy and paste. I can go up to the ribbon, click on the copy button. I can go to the cell to the right hand side and I can now paste. What's happened is that as I've copied it to the right, the cells that it was relating to have also moved to the right. So instead of it being A1 plus A2, it's now B1 plus B2. If I were to do that again, I copy, but now copy it downwards, so I paste. We notice that the formula has gone from A1 plus A2, it's now moved down. It's now moved itself down to A2 plus A3. That was using the ribbon. Alternatively, I could have used my keyboard to copy, so I press Ctrl C to copy, move to my destination cell, and I press Ctrl V to paste.